Hello everybody, welcome back. PieCover here. This is Ocean Mining Pool over here. I I have a S9 and I'm gonna connect my S9 to Ocean Mining Pool. So I wanna just try it out, right? Because it sounds like a very interesting project. So if you go over there, you can kind of see what's going on in the background. So none of other mining pool really give you that, transparency in terms of, okay, you can see what's the hash rate and so many things you can see over here, and they are just Bitcoin focused. I like that because you don't have so many like altcoins over there. You get you all confused, right? So you see what they are doing, and they have the address. You can have estimation how much you can get and all of those things. Not that like some other pool don't have it, but it's just like I like so many features. Like for example, you can see what the block template, right? You can see what's gonna be your next revenue, and also when the block get found, the money, right, the Bitcoin come from the Bitcoin network, right? It's directly from the Bitcoin network, right? So for example, like the last block over here, you'll see when the miner, right, get find the block, they will go and then you know distribute that money themselves, right? So like say this is the address that found the block. This is basically they got the money, right? And then they themselves distribute the transaction. They get to pay the other miners who are mining inside the pool, right? So basically this the miner the pool, right, get to decide who get what, which one get, or they get to send the money, right? They custody the money. In Ocean, they don't do that. They don't custody the money. The miners, when they find a block, for example, let's say somebody pay a high fee, let's say 83 Bitcoin, like just like a few days ago. So somebody pay a high fee, and because of the high fee, and then the miner decide, hey, okay, I'm just gonna return that Bitcoin, right? This is the pool who decide that. The pool doesn't mind, but they just decide to return that Bitcoin. But maybe the miners didn't want to return that Bitcoin. Maybe the miners wanted to keep that fee, right? Maybe the miners don't want to give it away, and they just say, okay, I'm doing business, right? There's probability in Bitcoin. I could be mining for a year, for days and days, and never get any block. And I want to stay sustainable, and there's somebody want to pay fee. Okay, somebody make a mistake, right? But now because of the mining pool, they decide to make that decision themselves, right? The miners, what if the miners didn't want to do that, right? So who decide? So the mining pool decides. So over here, and when somebody find a block, they can decide that if the miners, one of those miners decide to find a block, they can say, okay, hey, I'm gonna keep my all my transaction fees and everything, right? And then distribute it to the other miners in the pool. So, and the interesting thing is, uh, this they're just showing you what's the next block template, like basically all the transaction could look like, right? So when you see it go in the mempool, you see you have this transaction template, right? So this is what was expected, right? And then this is what happened, right? So basically, some mining pool may decide, oh, I don't like this transaction, I don't like this, I don't like this, and then they give you this, right? So that could end up with a lot of censorship based on the mining pool. But over here, when they have Stratum V2, this is a feature for mining that will allow the miners themselves to select which transaction they want to include in the block, right? So right now Ocean is doing the template, but when they implement Stratum V2, the miners will be able to, right? So this is why I'm deciding to go and put my miner on, send it to ocean pool. So this is, I just put my IP, I put the IP for the miner, and then I'm just going to put the the username, S9, like there's S9. You just have to put like root, ROOT, and then sign in. So it shows you all the mining processes. So basically, mining is very easy. You just plug your miner, and then you connect that miner to your modem. Basically, just connect that directly with a Ethernet cable, right, from your miner to that modem in your house, and then you go in any computer in your house, and then you click you have to find your IP address for that miner, right? You go on your phone. You can just go. There are some apps that allow you to find that IP address, right? Look for the IP address for the miner. Once you find it, you click your IP address on your web browser, and then you put just like like I did, your username ROOT, and then a password ROOT root. So basically, this is how Antminer do the login, and then with Stratum V2, we will have a lot of solution. You may not even have to do that. But now let's focus on configuration. So I use a lot of configuration. This is, I was mining with nicehash over here. So I'm gonna change it to ocean, because nicehash, I don't really understand what's going on there. So they have a lot of shitcoin. So we're gonna go and get started over here. So we're just gonna see. I'm doing this live, so you guys can test my intelligence as well. So this is how to get started. These are the steps. So enter. This is just what you enter here. So this is in your ASIC interface. Okay, enter this in your ASIC interface, and then you may need to input something slightly. Okay, your full URL. So I'm gonna put this in the interface. So where is my? So this is this. Right, this is my interface stratum. Okay, let's say put this. Okay, the full URL. So I'm gonna go there. URL. I'm gonna write that down. I put this there, and then they say the host name and port separately. So I'm gonna go host name. This is this ocean.xyz. And then I'm gonna go in the miner. What is the host name? So that's the host name, and then port. Don't see any. So this is just like just to show me the hash rate here. Okay, this is a host name. Okay, I found the host name. So I'm gonna put this right here. Okay, and click save. And that's the host name and port. So let's go find port now. I'm doing this live, guys. Be patient with me. Let's protocol. This is saying it's just waiting for changes to apply. Okay, boom, that applied over here. So the host name is this, and then gateway Bitmain tech setting. Okay, it's the same thing. Going to show me this. Okay, worker. So S99. Okay, that's good. Miner configuration. So I'm gonna put the miner. I'm gonna put S9 -1. See what's going on. Stratum plus. So that's this source name and port. You may need to refer to the documentation of your mining hardware. Enter your Bitcoin address as your username and X for the password. Okay, okay, my Bitcoin address. Enter your Bitcoin address for username. So I'm gonna go there and put the Bitcoin address. So okay, crap. Okay, so I have to go look for a Bitcoin address. Sorry guys. So let me. I'm gonna have to use simplex for that. I'm gonna send a Bitcoin address from my my stupid phone here, and then I'm gonna use that address to receive the next Bitcoin. Right? So I'm gonna use a secret address, right? So it's okay, you could use anything, but I'm just gonna use a secret. Alright. So this is my simplex. This is just a thing. It's like an app you could use to transfer like information from your phone to your um to your to your laptop. So I just send an address here, guys. So I'm gonna copy that, and then I'm gonna paste that in my worker. So this is just the worker here, and now this is the worker. Okay, perfect. So the password is X. I'm gonna click save. So yeah, so now it said I can use P2PKH. This is like the original address. It's like the original Bitcoin address is that start by 1, and then you have like in do secret. So this is one I just put there. So and you use enter your Bitcoin address and your username. So this is my worker, no? Yeah. So it should be my worker here, and then X for password. So this is what I just did. Okay, and then your Bitcoin address must be exact. Okay, and you may append a short custom worker name to the address using a period between the address and worker name. So I'm not gonna, I don't have to do that, but example, my address, dot, my worker name, and stuff like that. Basically, if you have many miners, you could basically go there, and at the end of the address, your Bitcoin address that you control, you can just go in at the end of that address and click dot, and then miner 1, right? So if you wanna identify them as different miners, right? So that's what you could basically do. And then me myself, I'm gonna copy that and Now I'm gonna go on Ocean, receive Bitcoin, check your miner. Check your miner stats page on our dashboard to confirm everything is set up correctly, and you can take a few minutes after your first accepted proof of work submission for sats to be received. So now I'm gonna go up there, so and I'm gonna go in dashboard to see how the hash rate if I'm hashing now. So I can go search for username. I'm gonna go click my username here, see if my Bitcoin is here, my miner, to see what's going on. So I'm gonna look for it there to see what's going on there. Doesn't look like it's here yet. Okay, I'm gonna click right again. This is the miner, right? Okay. Okay, so the Bitcoin address, that name. So this is the Bitcoin address. The name is miner1. So I put miner1, right? Okay, so I'm gonna put that. So I didn't put the dot, so that may be the problem. So I'm gonna put that -1. So I checked it for it. Okay, -1 not found. So maybe the miner is not already there yet. Next block. Alright, so I'm gonna see what's going on there, guys. So this is my URL, and then this is just my miner. Okay, if my miner is there, so this should work then, right? Because I put the password X, right? And I click save, waiting for changes to apply. Okay, so I should be, hashing, right? So let me go on miner status. Okay, that says 0. So miner status, okay, I'm not hashing right now for some reason. And my network host name, mine ocean.xyz. Okay. I'm gonna put the IP address here to see. If this doesn't work, so there's another thing I can do. So let me okay, so this is this. So I'm gonna go on this. So this is just the idea, guys. So I'm just testing this live. So let me get a lot of. It's gonna take me a while to figure this out, but I think I'm going to, because I already did that in nicehash and it was easier. This looks even easier than nicehash, so it shouldn't take it shouldn't be that bad. So I think what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go on miner status and then reset everything. Right, so system, I'm gonna go on this and reset it. Right, so I go on network and I reset it. Good there. Let's see what's going on. User access miner user interface. Said root. Okay, that's good. Click miner configuration. Okay. Key in the mining pool URL. Okay. And miner name. Okay, that's so okay, so it's live. Boom guys, we got it live. So this is Stratum plus TCP. So now we're gonna go check it again to see if we are mining. Still not finding it. Yeah. Miner one not found. Summary stats. Okay. So this is saying we are mining, but this is saying alive in my side, but it's not like wow. Okay, network. This is this. Okay, this is mining status. Okay, it should be mining, guys. It should be mining. So this should work like this because I put like everything they say. It's like just I follow all the steps. So why is it not supposed to? You know, it's weird. So I'm gonna go back there and then check again. Saying okay, you put enter mine.ocean. So this is into ASIC interface. Okay. So maybe I'm wrong here. So maybe I'm wrong here. The ASIC interface. Maybe I should type this, guys. So say Stratum TCP. The full URL. Okay, yes, that's what I did, right? So I put Stratum. This is this, right? Session mine and all of that. And then the host name. This is just his host name. And then okay, so I'm gonna try that to see because it shouldn't be that hard. Yeah, so I think guys, I think I'm mining. Yeah, I'm mining. I mean, this is saying I'm alive. This is say it's alive here. Oh, nicehash. Okay, that's a problem. So that's a problem here. Saying nicehash. Okay. Oh yeah. So I got it wrong, guys. Was my bad. Yeah. I got it completely wrong. So instead of saying DS Ocean, so I put nicehash. So I'm gonna change this to the URL. So I'm gonna put this there. Okay, guys. So I put Stratum. Yeah, I never changed the nicehash. So I'm changing this. Yeah, to see what's going on. So yeah. So all right. So my miner kicks. So can you hear the noise on there? So it's kicking. So now it's switching from nicehash right now. So it must be going to ocean right now. So I'm just gonna wait a few minutes and then to see like how it's doing, like if it's over there. So now the URL is good. My host name is there, and the port. The port I'm not sure about the port because I never really I don't see any port where I don't see where to put port. Right? IP address like no. Net mask gateway is that the port? I don't know. So that's the IP. Okay. Net mask. Okay. So bitmain tech.com. Okay. Miner status. Okay. You know, so if you have different miners, so that's just that. The power mode. So this is just that. Yeah. I'm having a. Okay, perform reset, backup. Okay, we reboot. Okay, I don't want to reboot. That's monitoring. Current password. Okay, you can change your password here. So that's what administration. Should go on administration here. So I don't want to change that. I'll just keep it on root and minor type, and then ocean. The host name. Okay, that's a host name. Good. Model. I'm not sure, but okay, let's leave it like that. Okay. So network, yeah. Oh my God, I'm just waiting here to be patient to see how the miner is doing. It's gonna be patient. Oh yay! Yeah, it's alive. Yeah, it's alive. Yeah. So now it's going to ocean. Yes, yes, guys. Yes. Okay. So I'm gonna go look for it on ocean. So I'm gonna go on dashboard and I'm gonna look over here. Yeah, I'm gonna look over here for ocean. So yay, guys, we get it. Yay. Yeah. So this is the miner here. So it's this showing you the hash rate over here, the estimate early next block. This is gonna be this. It's kind of basically zero, like no satoshis at all. It's like, oh my god. Bitcoin address. Okay, so that's just a minor here. So this is it, guys. This is it. So, and this is the hash average. So because my manager's kicking now, right? So it's not really doing much. It's just the hash rate is like 1 terahash a second. Oh my god, that's low. So basically, it didn't do any hashing like at all. So it's just like this is like, I mean, it's a S9. It's like maybe 13 and 13 or something like that, 10 hash per second. So I'm just gonna leave it running for a few hours and see what happened, and then I just check it back. And so I'm just in for the mining, uh, decentralization. I mean, yes, it's still a website, it's still a company, like behind Ocean. But hey, guys, it's just to show you how easy it is. Just like switch your hash rate, because at the end of the day, it's it's still up to us to uh protect the network, right? So that's why I get a couple miner here. If it, in the worst case scenario, like hash rate drop and oh, a mining pool wanna like co-op the system, right? I'm gonna turn on my miner, even if I'm losing money. At some point, right? Like Foundry US wanna like screw the mining and do something stupid. I'm gonna go turn my S9 and put my hash rate to like to, let's say, brain or to ocean and things like that. I think we should also think about how can we you know do our part in terms of how can we just put our hash rate and mine ourselves, because it's important for the decentralization of the network. You're never going to be able to compete competitively with um, mining pool, like too big for mining. But it's important because, let's say, if you have a home heater, right, and then print the hash rate to ocean, right? So print it to ocean and see like how thing goes, right? Try. So okay, so this is gonna be my estimate earnings next block is gonna be 6 sats. I think six sats. Like 2, 4, 6, 8. Yeah, 6 sats, and it's very small, but it's okay. It's so this is 5 minutes, 9 terahash per second, 4 terahash per second, and then it's just showing me I'm at 4 right now. So it's gonna go up. It's gonna go up. It's just like it's just kicking right now. So yeah. So yeah. Here it is, guys. I hope you enjoyed. This was very interesting, challenging setup. Just switching from nicehash to ocean. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoy. You have a wonderful day. This was PieCover.